Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hidayah Ludin and I'm from Faculty of Information Management. Today, I'm gonna share with you about the benefits of using MOOC Open Learning. Actually, MOOC Open Learning, from my opinion, MOOC Open Learning is the brightest platform for us as a student to learn every courses that we have select in the module, to learn via online. So as for me as a system student, I have been learn using how to use PHP and HTML in the open learning. So I have been chosen the module of PHP and HTML open learning. So in the module, I have learned on how to use PHP and HTML. There are more benefits that we can gain from the MOOC Open Learning, such as in the module, we can gain more knowledge, or we can collect more opinion about from the other student from worldwide, from the other country, on how to use the system, on how to use the coding, as well as the HTML. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.